sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Good morning, guys. So it's homecoming day. I am a freshman and I've never been to a dance like this before, and I'm extremely nervous, and my day is literally so busy. So all week I have been doing face masks and like skin medicine, which is what I have on my face right now, is skin medicine, to try and clear my skin, and it's not making much of a difference, but whatever. So I'm just gonna tell you what I've done this week and then go from there for today. This is probably gonna be a kind of long video, warning you now, but I hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, so okay, so on Monday I didn't really do anything for homecoming. Tuesday I went to the store and I bought face masks, and I also bought my nails that I'm gonna do. And then on Wednesday I did face masks. Thursday I kind of just like treated my hair a little bit, tried to like get it healthy and stuff. And then yesterday was Friday. So yesterday my school did homecoming games. This is something that we start at 12:30 every single, like, the Friday of homecoming. So all 4 of the high school classes get together and we all have competitions against each other. So I did that. And then after that, we had our homecoming football game last night, and we won 20-0. Yes, that are my boys. I love them. But it was so cold, like I was freezing. But yeah, we won. And then I went to bed. Now I'm here. It's currently 8:11 a.m. on Saturday, September 22nd, 2018, and I need to shower, wash my hair, then do my nails, and then I have 2 girls coming over for me to do their hair, and then I'm going to start getting myself ready, and I'm going to make my boyfriend dinner, and then, yeah. Okay, so I have showered, my hair is drying. It's now 9:30. I'm just waiting for my friend to come over because we're just gonna hang out and then probably get Starbucks and then get ready together and stuff like that. But I quickly want to show you my shoes and my dress, and then like just like that kind of stuff. I don't know how much of me doing my hair and makeup I'm gonna get. I might just go and film like a different day of me doing the makeup that I end up doing, and then like putting that in this as like the get ready with me, so you guys can still see me doing my makeup. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you my shoes and my dress, and then I don't know when I'll be checking up with you guys again, but yeah. So these are my shoes. They are absolutely gorgeous. They have this gorgeous bow on them and I'm in love with them. And then this is my dress. It looks kind of small, but that would be because it's not like spread out or anything. But it's just a halter top, and it's emerald green, and then it has this like super sequined waist around it, and it's gorgeous. I'm in love with it, and I'm so excited to put this on. Okay, so this is future Tori cutting in here. I wanted to show you guys my eyes that I did for homecoming and the face products I use. I'm not gonna go in depth on my face though, just because I don't want to put on a bunch of makeup because I just got back from school. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you how I did my eyes. So I already set and primed them with concealer, and I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette. It looks like this, and look at my nails. I love them. But I started off with a big fluffy brush like this, and I took this shade right here, and I just packed that into my crease as a transition shade. Then I went in with, I think, a little bit of this shade, just tapped it off and went back into the crease, because you gotta have a good transition shade before you can pack on a bunch of other colors. Then I'm going in with this shade right here, I think, on a fluffy brush, and I'm just putting that on the outer corner and dragging it in for a, like, just to deepen it up a little bit. Next I'm going in with a mixture of chip and mocha and putting that on the very outer corner and dragging it out a little bit, and then into the lower part of the crease. Just kind of like that. Okay, so I cut my crease so that the shimmer shade would last longer, because you're dancing all night and pictures and all that. So then for the shimmer shades, I went in with this shade right here, and I put that all over my lid, and I went for like a super bronzy smoky eye because my dress was green, or as you guys will see is green, and I wanted something that would go well with that. And then on top I put this shimmer shade all the way over here just to lighten it and make it a bit more, like, not so bronzy and gold, because my dress had a lot of gold and silver on it, so I wanted a good combination. Okay, so I know I keep changing the angle and stuff, but it's dark outside, so I'm using like my little mirror and whatever. But for primer, I went in with 3. I went in with the No Pore Bloom Primer by Touch in Soul. I did this because I have really bad pores on my nose and my chin, so I obviously wanted to hide those for like amazing looking skin, so I used this. And then I used the Milani Prime Perfection for the outskirts of my face, and then the Dewy Luminous Photo Focus Primer on the like cheeks of my face. For foundation, I used the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is a really good full coverage foundation. Just looks like this. I really enjoy it. I have the shade Natural. For concealer, I used Tarte Shape Tape because I wanted something super full coverage for my under eyes and my like acne. You can see it breaking out. Love that. And then for ASMR, but for finishing powder, I use the Maybelline Fit Me right here. But yeah, I use this for baking. I would recommend you bake your smile lines for a really long time. I ended up having really bad smile lines after pictures, so make sure you use stuff with no SPF in it for no flashback, and make sure you use something that won't create smile lines here if you get them like I do. The foundation is usually pretty good, but I think I put too much on, so yeah. And then for bronzer, I obviously use the PF Butter Bronzer, which smells so good. And then for highlighter, I used my Strobe Globe highlighter from ColourPop in Luster Dust. It just looks like this. It's gorgeous. So that is all the products I used. I set my face really well with the Urban Decay Chill All Nighter or whatever setting spray. And that was pretty much all for my makeup. And then for my hair, I just curled it and had half of it down, and then a small section right here we teased and like pulled back, so it was like a little bit of a bump. And yeah, it was super cute. My sister helped me with that and I loved my look. So let's get back into the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm ready for homecoming. I'll show you my hair and everything, and there'll be pictures at the end. But yeah, I'm ready. My boyfriend's gonna be over soon. I'm super excited and nervous at the same time. I have on gold hoops. This is what my nails look like this. They're super gorgeous. I love them. My makeup looks like this. I will film like a tutorial thing and put it into this video later. But yeah, I need lips and pack my bag and my shoes and everything, and that is it. So I'll show you the final look, and I'll insert pictures and stuff. I might update at the end of the night or put in video clips. I don't really know, but yeah. Okay, so this is my hair. Me and my sister did it, and then I obviously did my makeup. And this is what the dress looks like. I love it. It's super gorgeous. And my nails up closer right there. And yeah, I love everything. And I'm so excited. Wish you girl luck. I love you guys so much.
Okay.
Can't believe my first love will be running on the baby. Say,